Hello, in this video, I'd like to give you an update of my Charles Schwab Stock Porfolio brokerage account for the week of Monday, October 31st, 2022 through November 4th, 2022. As we see, the account lost $121.73 this week. So down finally after a few weeks, 2 or 3 weeks of positive gains, the account finally lost money again, but not too much. When all said and done, not too much. So this graph shows you through the week here, went down, then all of a sudden we spiked, and that is because, partly because I added funds to my account. That's what that dotted line is, and the solid line is the value of the account. Speaking of the value of the account, the week started off, I had $4,153.50 in this account. That's what the value was. I did add $500 more to this account. Again, the account lost $121.73. Anytime I see red, it's not too good. I'd rather see green. It's my favorite color, color of money. Then the ending value, we get $4,531.77. So if we add 500 to that, then minus 121, that's how we get that number. That's the value. Even though we lost money this week, I'm still very pleased because my short-term goal was to get $5,000 in this account, to grow this account to $5,000 by the end of 2022. I opened this account June 8th, 2022. And I wanted to get $5,000 in the account by the end of the year. That's going to happen without a doubt. No matter what happens in the market, there's going to be $5,000 in this account. Do I want it to be more than that because the account gained money? Of course. But I'm going to reach my short-term goal. The long-term goal, the overall goal, one of the reasons I wanted to create this series of videos is to have $100,000 in this account, this Charles Schwab Stock Porfolio brokerage account. $100,000. In the motivation was to get good at investing, learn how to maybe understand the market, whether it's irrational, rational, if there's some sense to it. Can I beat the common indexes like the S&P 500, the Dow Jones Industrial Average? Can me picking individual stocks outperform those common indexes? That's the motivation of this channel, and I thought making videos to document that would help me out, understand what I did right, what I did wrong, but also help those that might watch these videos learn about investing, to understand the stock market better, and to help them out on their own personal finance journey, their financial freedom journey, and hopefully can help other people be good with money. Now, the rate of return was in the negative, so down 3.13% this week. These lines shows a good visual of not only the performance of my stock portfolio account, but other common indexes. For instance, you see the Dow Jones performed fairly well right here at the orange. But the NASDAQ, look at that big slide off right there, and then up a little bit. You see my individual stock portfolio lost or was down 3.13%. The Russell 2000 is down 2.53%. S&P 500 down 3.31%. Dow Jones Industrial Average down 1.38%, and the NASDAQ was down 5.65% for this week. Now, what's been very interesting since I've been investing in this particular account is the fluctuations of the common indexes. For instance, the Russell 2000 seems like it's been outperforming not only my individual account, but these other common indexes. Probably the more well-known common index like S&P 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Average, NASDAQ. It's been one of the top performers here from June, since I've been keeping track of this account that I'm invested in. So it's interesting to see that recently the Dow Jones through the month of October was up 14%, the Dow Jones was, and it's been performing better than pretty much all these other common indexes when through June, July, August it wasn't performing. It was the bottom. You know, my individual account was doing better than the Dow Jones. The other indexes was doing better than the Dow Jones. So it's very interesting to see the fluctuations, how some indexes perform better than the other certain times of the year, or what's going on with the economy. And then like the NASDAQ, for instance, it usually performs pretty well. But here recently, those tech stocks have been getting hit hard. So it's very interesting to see that. And another point is some would argue that since the NASDAQ is down, it might be a good time to buy stocks in the tech sector. Buy those stocks that are offering value, that are at good prices right now, that are quote unquote on sale. It's fascinating. I love learning about this. I love keeping track of it. I love trying to understand it. If there's a reason or if it's rational, irrational, I love it. And I'm going to continue to love it and learn from it. So that's the performance of my Charles Schwab Stock Porfolio brokerage account for the week of October 31st through November 4th, 2022. We lost a little money. We're down a few percentages, but there's no sweat. I've had some good success here the past couple weeks, so I can't complain. It's to be expected to go back down a little bit, but Friday was great. Friday had a good day. November 4th was a good day. So we're going to see if that positive momentum carries over into the next week or we keep going the negative route. We shall see. If you like this video, I appreciate it. Hit that like button. If you'd like to follow along with this series of videos and this channel, I'd appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell. That way you can follow along with this journey of me learning how to invest, how to get good at investing, how to learn to invest in the stock market and to understand the stock market. But because by doing so, hopefully it can help others as well. Also, if you subscribe to this channel, you're going to get lots and lots of videos on how to get good with money, how to make money, how to save money, how to invest your money so you can live life on your own terms and you can work because you want to, not because you have to. There's videos about credit cards, how to use credit cards, how to build credit, how to get out of credit card debt or out of debt in general, how to create all kinds of income streams. So if you want to learn how to take control of your income and learn how to invest, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to this YouTube channel and ring that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching this video, taking the time to watch this video. Take care and all the best.